here. Okay. So now here, if I am getting B, so what I have to do? Replace this B with Y. Replace this B with Y. If I am getting B, replace this B, replace this B with Y. And what will be the direction of head? So I have to move left because again I need to find the next A. So replace this B with Y and left. So direction of head will be left. This is what we are reaching to the Q3. We are reaching to the Q3. This will complete my one cycle. This will complete my one cycle. Replacing this A with X, skip A, skip A, skip B, skip B, skip B, blank, skip as it is, and left, make this blank as a Y. Make this B as a Y. So this is what the first thing is. Now, after replacing, what we will get here? B. After replacing this B with Y, we'll move left. Now the head position is here. What we are getting here? We are getting B again. So what we have to do? We have to skip this B because we have to reach again the first A. Okay. So this B we will skip. This B we will skip. So all the B's what we are getting, we have to skip this all B's. So that will be again loop. So here we'll make again loop. So if I'm getting this B, if I'm getting this B, replace with B, and what will be the direction of the head? It will be left because we have to go left, left, left. So B skip, B skip. Now here it is getting A. So what we have to do? A again we have to skip A, skip A, skip A. So that will be number of A's if we are having. We have to again skip this all A's. So that will be again onto the self loop. And the direction is important. Direction is left. So we are moving left. So A skip, A skip. Now what we will get here? We will get X. So when we will get X, what we have to do? Keep this X as it is and now change the direction because we want this. So when we are getting X, we'll keep X as it is and move the change direction. So if I am getting X, keep X as it is and direction of head will be right. Direction of head will be right. So X as it is, now direction is here. Now this is my complete one cycle. Again, I am at the beginning. Again, I am at the beginning. Now, repeat the same. What we here, what we will get? We'll get A. So A replace with X, move right. A replace with X and direction will be right. Q1. Q1, what is the input? A. So A replace it A right. A replace it A with right. Now what is the input? B. So B replace with B, move right. B as it is, move right, skip. B, B skip, replace B, right. Now here, what we are getting? Y. So after getting this Y, what we have to do? We have to shift left because now this B we want. So when we are getting Y as the input, keep as it is and change the direction. So all A is keeping. So previously this B blank replaced with blank and left. That will be the initial condition. After first end B replacement, what we will get? Instead of B, we'll get this Y. Replace this Y with Y and change the direction left. This B as it is, change the direction. Now here, Q2, what will get? B. So B replace it with Y and left. This B replace it with Y and left. Left. So Q3. Q3, what is the input? B. B input replace with B and left. As it is, skip. As it is. A replace it with A and left. That is the skipping. That will be the Q3. That will be the Q3. Now, when it will come to the X, A as skip, move left. Left, it will come to the X. So, what X? If I am getting X, what we have to do? X input, replace it with X, change the direction right. So, X as it is, now the direction will be here, A. Again, the same loop will repeat. Replace A with X, move right, move right. B, Q1, B skip, move right. Now, we are getting Y. So, Y input from Q1 to Q2. Y as it is, change the direction left. It will be here. We are at the Q2. Now, at the Q2, if I am getting B, so B, replace it with Y. At Q2, I'm getting B, replace this B with Y and left, and left. Okay, we are coming to Q3. Now Q3, what we are getting? X. So X as it is and right. X as it is and right. We are going to Q0 again. But at Q0, what I am getting now? We are getting A. No, all A is over. What we are getting? Y. So after immediate X, if I am getting immediate Y, what it means? The A number are equal as your B. So after X as it is, right? If I am getting Y, so Y as it is and no operation means that will be your stop condition, final state. That will be your final state. Okay. So this is what your problem statement or the transition diagram for the Turing machine accepting all string in the form A raised to n, B raised to n. Try to apply the logic. So when you take one example and apply the logic, so that time the different condition. So we are having the number of inputs. So on every input, what we have to do? So that we have to design, draw with the help of the transition diagram. So this is your Turing machine transition diagram is important. Whenever they are asking the Turing machine what they expect, the examiner expect, they expect the transition diagram. Now after transition diagram, so what is the definition of Turing machine? What is the definition of Turing machine? The definition is capital Q, sigma, tau, del, Q0, blank, and the final F, final state. So this is 7 tuples will describe your Turing machine. Capital Q is a state. So we'll just write all this definition. So here in this case, what is the capital Q? Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. These are your capital Q. What is the sigma? Sigma is given input alphabet. Sigma is given input alphabet. That is what you are A, comma B. And what is the tau? Tau is a stack symbol, tape symbol. Stack is your tape symbol. Now tape symbol means what? Tape symbol. A we are replacing with A. So A and B input alphabets are already the tape symbol. Plus what additional symbols we are using? We are writing onto the tape. So that is what we are writing X, we are writing Y and blank. These are the tape symbols. Now B is what you are blank, a special symbol blank, which will represent the blank onto the tape. So that is what your B is. And the last is a F. F is your final state. So in this condition, Q4 is your final state. Q4 is your final state. Okay. So in this way, we have to write the definition of Turing machine, means the 7 tuples, which describes this problem statement. Describe this problem statement. Okay. Again, the transition table is important. Transition table, you have to write the transition table again. For the same transition table, all stack symbol will be on the top side, and all the states onto the left hand side. And we have to write the transitions. We have to write the transition. So this transition diagram definition and transition table will complete the answer of your problem. That is the designer